Hello everyone. Urban Jazz Dance Company is excited to share details for the workshop taught by deaf artists at the 14th annual BAIDDF 2026 this summer. The adult workshops are taking place on Friday, August 14th from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. at Push Sanctuary. This is right by Powell BART and several Muni bus lines. Who's teaching the workshops this year? We've got local and international deaf artists lined up. First up, Yoga with Turkish Sign Language, taught by Ada Tabasi from Turkey. Ada is the first and only deaf ballerina. We are excited to have her. The second workshop is Safe Space Burlesque, taught by Bailey Vincent, a deaf storyteller and professional dancer. Last but not least, we have Introduction to Contemporary Floorwork and Spirals, taught by deaf dancer and choreographer Anna Gicham from the Bay Area and Access Dance Company. These workshops looked exciting, right? They all have access with ASL and voice English interpretation. All are open to both deaf and hearing. The best part is they are free. But wait, is that it? No, we've got our joyful in-person youth workshop on Sunday, August 16th at Presidio National Park. How exciting! The workshop is from noon until 1 at Chrissy Field Center. We will have a surprise guest artist teaching the workshop. Youth of all ages are welcome. Deaf, hearing, coda, hard of hearing youth are all welcome. ASL and English voice interpretation will be provided. This workshop is also free. For more information, check our website here. Please join us for an unforgettable weekend with our festival artists. See you there!